Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of this workshop shed build series. In this episode we're putting the soffit and the fascia boards on, and we are painting those prior to installing them. I highly recommend that because you get the back side of them, the edges and all that. It keeps water out, keeps them from rotting. And all we did was we just used some pine boards, cheap pine boards, and kept it pretty simple. We decided to spray them. In this part right here, you can see he's actually checking the angle here. And I recommend that as well. Have a scrap piece with the right angles on there. Helps you keep everything in line and looking good. So the rest of the video, you're going to see us also shingle it and put the siding on. So those are the three main parts here. If you have not watched the last 3 parts, please go back and do that. Please watch this one till it's in. A lot of good information, a lot of good material in here. And also, please subscribe, like, share, and check out all of our stuff at TMNTG.com. Now, when it came to shingling this roof, we actually made a makeshift scaffold, I guess, on the side of the building. You can see it there. We found a 2x12. It was 16 foot long, so it spanned the entire length of the building, and that was really nice because trying to shingle the first part of that off of ladders would have been a pain, but that helped out a ton. And really, if you can do it, I recommend it. I just went with the cheapest 3-tab shingles that I could find at Lowe's, and that's what I decided to put on.
You can bring that part down to that little ring group, top of that. That's it.
Yeah.
To that.
siding, we went with the Smart siding. Comes in 4x8 sheets, almost like a sheet of plywood. And it's really nice, actually. If you can put it on there before you raise the walls, if you have enough people to lift the wall once you put your siding on, then I would recommend doing it that way. But we didn't think we would actually be able to do that with all that weight on there. So we went this route with putting it on after the walls are already up and framed. Either way, it ended up working out just fine. And yeah, I kind of like the siding, actually. It covers quickly and doesn't take as long as some other options out there.
Let me get this one. Twist. Just gotta go back. Now push it in. There, move that there. Okay. Now let's see if we can get that part. It can come back to you a little bit.
Okay.
There.
Right there?
Yeah. There. Right there. Yep. Shoot. up. Yeah. All look pretty good. Yep. You like it? Yeah.
Well, we're coming to the end of this part of the shed workshop build. I hope you're enjoying it. And there will be one more part, just one more left to go. There's a lot of video footage to go through, so it takes a while for me to edit these videos. But thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. And also check out our podcast, the Man and the Goat Podcast. Some interesting stuff there. The Man and the Goat, TMNTG, is really about helping you become your best self. Be self-reliant, learn skills, know how to do things, know how to fix things, build things. These are all important things for everybody to know, but especially men. And that's really what this company, what this business, this channel, the podcast, all of it is all about. So I hope you enjoy it.